Okay, so finding the square root of an integer, making a function for this while using binary search, because we're doing binary search in the interviewbit.com. So with all binary searches, you want to find like a beginning point with 0 and a high point, a very right point, or right point. So left or 0 equals 0, and high or 1, or high or right equals another number. And then you just want to have a midpoint. Then you keep on searching between those two numbers. Like if this was so, yeah, pretty much you'd make a function that takes a number and you want to find the square root of that number, and find an algorithm that does that using binary search. Um, my first impression was to do something like this, where you just start at a counter 2, and you just keep on squaring it until it either equals 0 or it's more than a, or the number you're looking for. You square the counter, and then you just return the counter, but that takes a little bit of time. So the optimal solution, I think this runs log square root of time. If I want to do log x of time, you just do this solution, which, like you said, using binary, you have your low and your high. You set your high just to your number you're looking for. So this was 100. If you want to find the square root of like 101 or 100, you just 0 minus 100 is greater than 1, and then the midpoint would be 50, and then 50 squared is not less than 100. So then you just set your high to mid, so it'll be 50. So then 25 squared is less, or is more than that, so 12, and then 12 squared is more than that, and then 6 squared is less, and then so once you get 6 squared, so it'll be like 36 is less than 100 for the first time, and then so then it'd be low would be 36. So then you just take whatever your high was previously. I remember, but then you just return low. So I don't know how you write this down. So like it would be, oops. You start, if you're looking for 100, what would happen? It would first go to 50, and it return 50, and that's too low. Then it would go to 25. Squared is too low. And then 12 squared is too low because that's 144. I get 6 squared, and that's too high, so that you return 36. So, but then you have to add, so if you have 6 in here as your new low, and your high is 12, so then you would add these two, that'd be 18, which would be 9, would be your next number you look for. And that's 81, that's too low. So then you just do 9 plus 21. So you add these two to get 21. The square root of 21. Wait, what? So let's just do this out. So this would be fucking A. God damn it. Okay. Start off as a it's 100. Whoops. Go to 100, and then I would go to 50, and then go to 25, and then I would go to 12, 6. This would start at a 0, 0 at one point. So so 6 plus 12 equals 18. So then it would be a 9. Which you would break it, and then you would just return low. That doesn't make sense. So you get the 12. 12 minus, yeah. And 12 squared is greater than, so it'd be 6. So then you get 6 divided by 2 is 12. Yeah, so 3. So that's less than that. So 6 is less than that. So the mid is now 6. I don't know how this works.